Ready to turn your backyard into a space that feels straight out of a luxury retreat? These premium Amazon patio gadgets bring comfort, style, and a touch of wow factor to every outdoor moment. From relaxing evenings to hosting in style, they make your space feel effortlessly upgraded. All products are linked in the description below. Bring your garden to life with this solar-powered bird bath fountain. It starts in just seconds under sunlight, sending water spraying up to 70 centimeters high. No electricity needed. 6 interchangeable nozzles let you create different water patterns, adding fun and charm to your space. A smart retainer keeps water in the bath, preventing spills and reducing refills. Perfect for attracting hummingbirds and keeping your outdoor oasis lively and relaxing. Summer fun just got bigger. This inflatable family pool lets kids splash, swim, and play safely right in your backyard. Wide double ring walls keep it stable, and a repair patch is included for extra peace of mind. Quick fill valves make setup a breeze, so you're in the water in minutes. Durable vinyl holds plenty of water and provides hours of fun for kids aged 6 and up. Say goodbye to pesky flies at your table. These portable fly fans spin with holographic blades that repel bugs before they get near your food. Soft touch blades rotate safely, so little hands won't get hurt, and the fans are quiet while keeping your space fly-free. Battery-powered and lightweight, you can place them on tables or hang them anywhere for indoor or outdoor use. Perfect for picnics, BBQs, and parties, they let you enjoy meals without interruptions. Sit back and glide into comfort with this 4-seat outdoor bench. The aluminum frame and weatherproof materials make it sturdy and long-lasting. Smooth gliding motion means quiet, relaxing swings for everyone. A rainproof canopy and comfy sling seats keep you cool and protected while you lounge. Perfect for gardens, patios, or decks. It's ideal for family gatherings or peaceful afternoons outside. Float away in comfort anywhere you like. This hammock swing chair comes with a thick, overstuffed cotton cushion that makes sitting feel like clouds. The strong steel frame keeps it safe and sturdy, while soft cotton netting is gentle on your skin. Lightweight and portable, you can move it from bedroom to porch or balcony in seconds. Easy to assemble with minimal parts. It's perfect for relaxing anytime, anywhere. Bring the magic of fire to your outdoor space. This pellet stove creates mesmerizing spiral flames that glow beautifully on patios, gardens, or camping trips. Made from sturdy carbon steel with tall glass piping, it shows off a tornado-like flame while staying durable and safe. Advanced clean burning technology means minimal smoke and easy warmth for hours. The removable ash box keeps cleanup simple, so you can enjoy the ambiance without the mess. Add a touch of greenery without any work. This artificial boxwood ball looks lifelike, but never needs water, soil, or trimming. Made with 4 layers of durable, UV-protected PVC, it holds its shape and color both indoors and outdoors. Easy to install with simple connectors, it instantly brightens patios, balconies, weddings, or living spaces. Long-lasting and fuss-free, it's the perfect way to enjoy nature anytime. Relaxation just got an upgrade. This 3-seat outdoor swing easily converts into a bed, letting you lounge, nap, or chat in total comfort. The adjustable canopy shields you from sun while letting you choose the perfect angle. Padded cushions, pillows, and built-in cup holders keep everything you need close at hand. Sturdy steel construction holds up to 3 adults safely, making it perfect for gardens, patios, or poolside chilling. Keep drinks cold and your patio stylish at the same time. This outdoor cooler side table holds up to 48 cans with ice, keeping them chilled for hours. Made from a durable stone plastic composite, it resists fading, cracking, and extreme weather. Its sleek, modern design fits anywhere, from balconies to pool decks, while doubling as a functional table. Built in Canada for quality and longevity, it's perfect for outdoor gatherings all year round. Cooking outdoors has never been this easy. This all-in-one camping cookware kit comes with a pot, pan, kettle, cups, plates, cutlery, and even cleaning tools, all packed neatly in one bag. Made from hard anodized aluminum, it heats quickly, spreads heat evenly, and resists scratches or corrosion. The heat-safe silicone handles keep your hands comfortable and secure while cooking. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for hiking, backpacking, or any outdoor adventure. Light up your outdoor space effortlessly. This solar floor lamp turns sunlight into a soft, charming glow that lasts all night. Made with weather-resistant rattan and a sturdy steel frame, it stands up to rain, snow, and frost. No complicated setup, just place it in the sun and switch it on. Perfect for patios, gardens, or pathways. It adds style and cozy ambiance wherever you need it. Turn your garden or patio into a peaceful retreat. This ceramic water fountain features a glossy blue sphere that lets water bubble and cascade elegantly. Its compact size fits indoors or outdoors, adding a stylish centerpiece wherever you place it. Simply plug it in and enjoy continuous, soothing water flow that melts away stress. Durable and weather-resistant, it keeps looking stunning no matter the season. Turn any patio into a shaded oasis with this cantilever umbrella. The massive canopy blocks the sun while giving you freedom to rotate and tilt it in any direction using a simple pedal system. Built-in solar LED lights let your evenings stay bright and cozy without extra wiring. A fillable base keeps it steady in wind, and the vented fabric helps airflow while preventing damage. Perfect for relaxing, dining, or entertaining outdoors in style and comfort. Beat the heat wherever you go. This portable air conditioner packs 5,000 BTU of cooling power to keep small rooms, tents, or RVs perfectly comfortable. The split design cools fast and spreads air evenly, so you feel relief almost instantly. It's got multiple modes: cooling, sleep, fan, and dehumidifying, plus adjustable speeds and a 24-hour timer to match your needs. No drain setup means no messy water, and it works indoors or outdoors with the exhaust hose ready to go. Take floating to a whole new level with this motorized pool lounger. It glides effortlessly across the water thanks to dual motors and a 360-degree rotation system, so you can move in any direction without paddling. The ergonomic design hugs your body while 2 storage compartments hold drinks, sunscreen, or your phone. A rechargeable battery keeps you cruising for up to an hour, and safety grills protect the propellers. Perfect for relaxing solo or showing off at summer pool parties. Digging through ice for your food is officially a thing of the past. This heavy-duty cooler keeps your drinks icy while storing snacks in a separate dry drawer below. The built-in cooling system keeps that lower section chilled without getting everything wet. It holds ice for days, so you're covered for long trips or outdoor hangouts. With its tough build and easy carry handles, it's ready to go wherever you are. Kick back in classic style without worrying about the weather. This folding Adirondack chair combines a timeless wood-look design with durable, all-weather material that resists sun, snow, and wind. The oversized seat and cloud-shaped backrest make lounging comfortable, while wide armrests give you a place to rest drinks or books. When you're done, It folds flat for easy storage or moving around. Perfect for patios, gardens, or poolside. It's both practical and stylish. Some chairs are for sitting, this one is for sinking in. This oversized rocking lounge wraps around you, creating a cozy spot you won't want to leave. The gentle rocking motion helps you relax, whether you're reading, watching something, or just unwinding. Its sturdy frame keeps everything stable, so you can lean back with confidence. Perfect indoors or outside, it turns any corner into your favorite place to chill. This is where outdoor lounging turns into a luxury experience. This patio daybed gives you a spacious spot to stretch out, relax, or share with someone. The adjustable canopy lets you control the shade so you stay cool even on bright days. You can switch it from a sofa to a full daybed in seconds, making it perfect for both sitting and napping. With soft cushions and a sturdy frame, it's built for comfort that lasts all day. When the sun goes down, your steps shouldn't disappear. These solar deck lights softly light the way, making your stairs and pathways safer without harsh glare. They charge during the day and turn on automatically at night, so you don't have to think about a thing. The warm glow adds a cozy feel to your outdoor space while still giving you clear visibility. Built to handle rain and rough weather, they keep shining no matter the season. Why choose between a pool and a shaded lounge when you can have both? This inflatable gazebo pool gives you a refreshing place to cool off while keeping you protected from the sun. The built-in canopy creates a comfortable space so you can relax, splash, or hang out without overheating. It sets up quickly and doesn't require any permanent changes to your yard. Perfect for summer days, it turns your backyard into a fun, resort-style escape. What if your backyard could feel like a private glass escape? This clear dome tent surrounds you with a full panoramic view, so you can enjoy nature without dealing with wind or bugs. It's roomy enough for a small group, giving you space to relax, dine, or even set up a cozy hangout. The thick, transparent material helps trap warmth, so you stay comfortable even when it's chilly. Built to handle rain, wind, and even snow, it lets you enjoy the outdoors in any season. Your garden path just got a serious style upgrade. These decorative stepping stones guide your way while adding a touch of classic charm under your feet. Each piece features elegant scroll work, turning a simple walkway into something you actually notice. Made from solid cast iron, they're built to handle daily use without shifting or cracking. The natural finish blends right into your plants, so everything looks polished without trying too hard. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.